Hey guys, in today's video, we're diving into the world of smart locks to bring you the top 5 options you can buy right now. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium high-tech solution, we've got you covered. We'll break down each product's features, performance, design, and value so you can make the best choice for your needs. All product links can be found in the description below. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the TEHO TE001 keyless entry door lock. If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly smart lock that delivers solid performance, this one is worth considering. Priced at just $35.78, this lock comes with features like passcode entry, one-time use code functionality, and an automatic locking system that you can set anywhere between 10 and 99 seconds. With 20 individual access codes and a sturdy aluminum alloy build, it's a fantastic entry-level option for anyone dipping their toes into smart home security. The TEHO TE001 boasts a simple, traditional design with a satin nickel finish that blends seamlessly into most home aesthetics. It's weather-resistant with an IP54 rating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Installation is a breeze, requiring only a screwdriver and a few minutes of your time. No professional help needed. However, it lacks advanced features like app control or voice assistant compatibility, which is something to keep in mind. While it doesn't have the bells and whistles of premium locks, the TEHO TE001 shines in its simplicity and reliability. It's ideal for homeowners or renters who want a dependable, no-frills smart lock at a fraction of the cost. The main drawbacks are its lack of connectivity options and its basic user experience. But for under $40, it's hard to beat this value. If you're looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly option, this is a great pick. At number 4, we have the Chen LCLI Lichen Smart Lock, priced at $79.99. This lock offers a step up in features without breaking the bank. With 5-in-1 access options, including fingerprint ID, touchscreen keypad, app control, IC card access, and mechanical keys, it provides a versatile and secure experience. The fingerprint sensor is particularly impressive, using an adaptive self-learning algorithm to improve accuracy over time, unlocking your door in just 2 seconds. The design of this lock is sleek and modern, with a black aluminum alloy build that's both durable and stylish. It's rated IP65 for waterproofing and can withstand extreme temperatures, making it a reliable choice for almost any environment. Installation is straightforward, and the lock fits most standard doors. The Bluetooth app lets you manage users, create temporary or scheduled access codes, and view access logs, making it perfect for Airbnb hosts or shared living spaces. While the Chen LCLI Lichen Lock offers a great balance of features and affordability, it does have some limitations. You'll need to purchase a separate Wi-Fi gateway for remote connectivity, which adds to the overall cost. Additionally, the app's range is limited to 10 meters. However, for its price, this lock delivers excellent security and convenience, making it a solid mid-range option for families and small businesses alike. Coming in at number 3 is the Yale Security AssureLock 2 Deadbolt. Yale is a well-known brand in the security world, and this smart lock carries on their legacy of quality. This model offers multiple ways to access your home, including a keypad, voice assistance, auto unlock, and the Yale Access app. It's a great choice for tech enthusiasts who want seamless integration with their smart home systems. The Yale AssureLock 2 features a compact design with a black suede finish that's both modern and understated. It connects directly to your Wi-Fi, so you don't need an additional hub, and it's compatible with major platforms like Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. The auto unlock feature is a standout as it detects your phone and unlocks the door as you approach, a convenient touch when your hands are full. While the Yale AssureLock 2 is packed with features, its price can vary significantly, and it's not the easiest lock to install compared to some competitors. Additionally, Some users have reported occasional connectivity issues with the app. However, its robust feature set, sleek design, and compatibility with multiple smart home ecosystems make it a fantastic option for tech-savvy homeowners. And finally, at number 1, we have the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock. This premium lock, priced at $229, is the gold standard in smart home security. It offers keyless entry through a touchscreen keypad, app control, and voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. It's also one of the few locks on the market that's fully compatible with Airbnb, allowing you to generate access codes for guests quickly and easily. The Schlage Encode stands out with its robust build quality and sleek matte black finish. It's made from zinc and has a brushed finish that exudes durability and sophistication. The lock connects directly to your Wi-Fi for remote access, meaning you don't need a hub. With advanced security features like built-in alarm sensors and a Grade 1 ANSI rating, it's one of the most secure smart locks you can buy. The main downside is the price. It's the most expensive option on this list. However, its premium features, excellent build quality, and user-friendly experience make it worth the investment. If you want a lock that combines top-notch security with smart home convenience, the Schlage Encode is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect smart lock for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. Got questions about any of the products? Drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.